Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually make money if you're a teenager. Now, if you're watching this video and you're thinking about making money online, then this is definitely the video for you. And if you're a teenager and have to go to school and have a lot of work to do, you want something on the side that can give you the flexibility from studying and making money on the side. And obviously with that opportunity, you can make a lot of money if you use this strategy the way I'm going to tell you guys, because this is an opportunity for you to break away from your study life and working 9-to-5 jobs and doing random jobs. You can stick around at home and actually make a lot of money from the comfort of your home. And that is the reason why a lot of individuals are taking this opportunity and following this strategy, which I want to talk about right now. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Now, the strategy we're going to talk about how you can make money as a teenager in today's time and period and make up to at least $250 per hour is by following and learning different skill sets. And how to harness those skill set is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, the first thing you have to keep in mind, obviously, the fact that you have to learn a skill. If you do not have the skill set, which I'm going to show you today, you can actually learn from it. I'm going to show you two ways to learn this skill. The first one is you can head over to udemy.com and search for video editing. Now, obviously, we know for a fact that there's a lot of videos right now on social media. Everything is revolving around content creation, and you can edit these videos and you can learn this skill set. You can go online, you can spend a little bit of money, for example, $13.99, and actually learn how to edit different videos. And there's so many individuals available online that are giving you an opportunity of a lifetime to understand how you can actually edit videos and make money. And obviously, if you don't want to spend money, if you don't want to invest anything on this, you can do this free as well. All you need to do is head over to youtube.com and search for video editing courses, and you'll get a lot of different courses available. And once you have gone through, understood the different dynamics, how to edit different videos, what needs to be added, what needs to be taken out, and understood the dynamics and understanding of every single element of it, you can start editing. Once you have gained this skill set, you can head over to fiverr.com, because fiverr.com is that place where you can harness and actually give that skill set to individuals who can buy that skill set from you. And there's so many individuals right now that are interested in video editing. And obviously, video editing has become one of the biggest platforms right now. And obviously, if you want to go into YouTube automation, there's individuals that want to actually create a lot of content online, and you can use your video editing skills over there. So let's search, for example, for YouTube automation, and let's see what comes up. So as you can see right now, once we search for YouTube automation, there's a lot of individuals, for example, making $50. This individual is making $600 by automating your YouTube channel. So there is individuals that are creating a lot of finances over here. There's making a lot of money by using this element over here. And obviously, the reason why I personally feel this is an opportunity of a lifetime for individuals, because we're living in the 21st century. We're living in a time and age where there's a lot of individuals that are harnessing and using their skill set. And obviously, if you don't want to get into YouTube automation, you can also do screen recording. And I personally feel screen recording and YouTube automation is one of the most important elements right now that you can actually start harnessing and using and actually giving that skill set to individuals. And I feel in today's period in time, this is an opportunity for you that you can really take to the next level. For example, this individual is a Fiverr's choice who's starting work at $15, and they're making a lot of money off it. And if you actually want to get on top of this bandwagon, you can by using the video editing skills that you have. And once you've made a lot of money, you can always head over to YouTube and search for individuals over here that want to get their video edited. All of these individuals on YouTube are getting their videos edited, and you can find different individuals on YouTube. You can click, for example, on their channel. So let's search for someone, for example, as Mr. Beast. And you know for a fact that Mr. Beast is literally one of the biggest YouTubers in today's time and period. And all you need to do is click on his videos, go to his channel, and actually look at his description in the About Us section. And as you go to the About Us section, you'll see that you can get in touch with this individual. You can drop him an email, and obviously as you drop in his email, you can message him and show him your portfolio and say, this is the amount of videos you've edited, and you can help him make more videos, and you can make a lot of money from your comfort of your home by doing that. And obviously that is the one way of doing it. The other way you can actually start making a lot of money is drop shipping. And one of the best places to start drop shipping is Shopify. Shopify.com. If you don't have a Shopify account, guys, click in the description below and get your Shopify for 90 days. This is a global commerce platform that can build your business with Shopify, and you can sell online and offline. Now, guys, one of the things which a lot of people tend to ask me is the fact that if we learn the editing and we learn Shopify, how do we mix it together? It's quite simple, guys, and this is what I'm going to show you today. And by the comfort of your home, you can do all of this work and without investing any money into it. The first thing you did was go on YouTube and learn a skill set. Once you learned that skill set, you went on Fiverr and found different gigs and made video editing for a lot of people and made around $500 or $1,000. Taking that money, you came onto Shopify. On Shopify, you build a Shopify store. And after building that Shopify store, what you did was you put different products on your Shopify store, but you made videos of those products by learning and harnessing the video editing skills and made a YouTube channel that was working as an advertisement platform for you. So anyone that watched that video about that product actually came onto your Shopify and bought that product. So you got money off actually learning the skill, you made money off YouTube by monetizing your channel, and you made money by selling that product from your Shopify. And obviously this is one of the best platforms that you can use to sell your products online, because Shopify.com gives you everything that you need. It supports you, it guides you, it gives you new leads, it helps you engage with customers, you can build data, you can build on the data that you receive from it, you can oversee your operations, you can fulfill every single order, you can manage your money online, where you make it. And the best thing which I personally feel that really makes Shopify stand out is the fact that the help that you need and when you need it, it's available. Their blogs give you all the marketing and business strategy tips that you need to run an online business. Their online courses make you and help you learn tried and tested business tips with instant access to lessons from successful entrepreneurs. The community helps you with the branding of different partners and helping fellow merchants understand Shopify, and you can always find the answers to your questions with a dedicated help desk resource full of articles and videos from their support team. And this is one of the things that really makes Shopify stand out. And obviously, I always mention to individuals, never put your eggs in one basket. Always have multiple streams of income, and that is where eBay.com comes in. eBay.com is another e-commerce platform which is used by a lot of individuals. And instead of buying different products online, you can actually sell products that you already have that you're not using on eBay and make a lot of money. So imagine selling products that you've bought, selling products that you already have, using the editing skill and learning and making money off Fiverr, and using YouTube as a marketing channel for selling your products and actually making money off your YouTube channel once it gets monetized. So these are 4 to 5 different methods that you can earn passive income from the comfort of your home, and you don't need to be a genius. You can be studying at a high school, you can be studying in middle school, but making money online and getting the financial freedom. And you don't need to iron clothes, you don't need to take garbage cans out, you don't need to mow lawns either. You can do everything, all of it from your home. It is as simple, straightforward as that. If you need any support, any guidance, guys, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and guide you. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.